Hi, my name's FxTec and welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I made a video. Like my last video was in like February or something, but I've missed it. I'm back. I've been busy. But the Pixel 6 just came out and I've been itching to talk about it. So today I'm going to be talking about the camera, like the design of it and what I think about it, the new like features it has, which I think are pretty cool. So yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah, whoever told you love is simple is a liar. Whoever told you peace is easy, don't admire. I wanna hold you, but I can't control the fire.
So I'm gonna get right into this. It's not gonna take much time because there are just a few things I'm gonna talk about, and I don't want to waste your time either. So here we go. First, I'm gonna talk about the design. So I really like the design, honestly. I'm obviously gonna show some pictures, but it's just a bar straight across the back, and I kind of see this as a positive because with other phones like the iPhone, Samsung, like they have these big squares on the back and it's like usually moved to one side or another, which causes the phone to rock when it's on a flat surface, which can potentially be a problem in certain situations. I don't know what people do with their phones, but it could mess up the durability of the phone. I don't know. Anyway, I do like the design across the back like that because it allows for zero rocking back and forth when it's on a flat surface, and I just like the look of the design. It looks sleek, and if you don't like the bump, you can just slap a case on there and it'll even that bump out. And yeah, I really like the design. So done with that, next thing I'm going to talk about is just the camera in general, like the hardware, the software, everything about it. So for the Pixels like 3, 4, 5, they all used the same exact hardware, but Google was like, hey, if we update the software, we can still make things look better. And that kind of worked, but Google started to fall behind as other companies put new hardware and new software in their phones. So last year with the Pixel 5, Google was kind of behind in the camera industry. So this year with the Pixel 6, they're like, all right, we're upgrading the hardware, and boom, all of a sudden they have the best camera in the game again. And the hardware they're using is actually made by Samsung, fun fact, but they're obviously also going to update the software for the camera, so it's going to continue to get better along with this new hardware. And there's also some pretty cool new features with the new camera. So these are off the top of my head, so there's two that I really like. So the first one obviously being the magic eraser thing. If there's something in the background that you don't want, or just something you don't want in the picture in general, you can outline it, scribble over it with the magic eraser, and it'll get rid of it. It's like Photoshop in 2 seconds. It's so cool. I really like the feature, and I'm interested to see how well it works with all sorts of different pictures. So we'll see that eventually, but not quite yet. And the other feature I like is like the motion blur feature. So I know a lot of their demonstration photos were like with Ferris wheels and like bikes, and like in the picture the wheels like kind of look still almost. So with this motion blur feature, you can slap it on there, it'll do some quick editing, and it'll make it look like the wheel is like spinning. I don't know, it's cool. I'll show some pictures obviously. I just really like these two features that Google's bringing to the table, and they're probably going to bring some more down the line in the future with their software updates. I'm just really excited to see all that the new Google Pixel 6's cameras can do. And yeah, that's about all I really have for this video. So if you enjoyed it, please feel free to like and subscribe. It's free and it helps out a lot. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.